Welcome to this Ignite interview. Can you talk a bit about yourself and also Trackman that you work for?
Yeah, thanks for having me. Certainly, Trackman is a Danish company, but we do live our lives on the international scene. We create products for reliable performance data. So our users are professional or amateur athletes in a broad spectrum of sports and use cases. It can be indoor or outdoor. It can be for games or for practice. So in the individual sports segment, I would say golf is a really big thing for us. In team sports, baseball is the thing, and we do so that the individual player can unleash his or her full potential through our technology. I sit as a head of department in our team sports application, and every day I just get to work with brilliant, funny, intelligent, skilled engineers and developers. That's just cool.
Sounds like a good day. So what are you and the team working on right now?
We have a lot of different ongoing projects. I mean, we're trying to push our products to the next level by using cutting edge technology. Well, still, I mean, it's our proprietary technology, and we do it so we can drive the next generation of performance analysis and statistics. And at the same time that we provide a kind of seamless cross-device user experience. So we start by acquiring data in the use case. I mean, so the athlete is doing her thing or his thing, and then we use our passive technology. That's our Doppler radars and our cameras, and then we actually get the actionable quality data out of the box, you could say. So we have our own algorithms that are implemented. So this is our box.
Oh, wow.
Interpreting the signals from the Doppler radar sensors, and then using our own proprietary algorithms to process that, and at the same time utilizing computer vision from the camera feed to tell about what the golf ball or the baseball is actually doing in a 3D space. So that's super cool. And again, the athlete doesn't really get affected. So just do your normal thing, but you still get a lot of data that you can help improve by.
Yeah, that sounds super smart. So this awesome orange box you had, you just showed us. Thanks for that. So can you tell a bit about more about the tech stack, also the journey to where you are today, and then also what the future can bring for you?
Yes, I mean, to understand our tech stack, you need just how we operate is that we have our systems distributed in different locations. Actually, for example, in baseball we have baseball stadiums or baseball backfields. So we actually have all these units of ours and servers distributed out, and so. We run Linux servers, and on top we have a Docker Compose environment, and then we embed our business logic into the Docker images and run them. And on the firmware, on the tracking units, we run our own proprietary firmware. That could be anything Python, C++, C#, running on top of .NET Core. And we also have mobile applications, typically smartphones, tablets, and that's Xamarin-based that we develop that on. Then by that we acquire a lot of data about the athletes, and we actually upload that to the cloud, to Azure. And on the storage side, we use a lot of the blob storage and SQL databases and what have you. And of course, we actually utilize that data for something. So we need some compute power. We run a lot of web apps on app services, and we run serverless functions. And for other flows, we run on Kubernetes clusters in the cloud. So we have a lot of applications and flows that run asynchronously, and in between them we make a lot of orchestration. It can be on event hubs or service bus, or a lot of initiations from logic apps. We could have a kind of upper tier that drives a nice user experience on the signaler, based on the signaler service, the managed service, and Redis cache, and then giving insights both to customers but also our own support, for example, on insights on the data by using Power BI or application insights.
Okay, super interesting, and thanks for giving us some insights into your products, also showing it so people can see if they see recognize it if they see it on the track. So if people want to learn more about what you do and also this specific product, where can they go?
Definitely, please visit our website, trackman.com, and our career site, and we have a lot of good information there.
Thanks, Ulrich. Thanks for being part of Ignite 2020 and giving us insight into this project.
Thanks.